Hello students, today we are going to take an activity of sentence building, how to build sentence, how to improvise to our sentences and to our reading here. Here are some practice sentences and the way of the reading and the writing, how to improve our reading and writing and how to connection with the sentence and the words of language. Here are any kinds of language. If we know the rules and the regulation of the languages, we will expertly learn and write and read the sentences. Here are sentence buildings. It's very necessary to the learners to enable the learners to read and write the easily sentences, and it will be read with the help of words. Here are tenses. Tenses in English in three kind. How many kinds of tenses in any language? There are, students, only three kinds of tenses. Who will tell me the first name of the tenses? Who will tell me? कौन बताएगा मुझे कि टेंसेस कितनी किस्म के होते हैं? तीन किस्म के होते हैं. कौन सा पहला होता है, उसका नाम अंग्रेजी में कौन बोलेगा? Who will tell me the name of first tense? Please stand up and tell me. Say loudly. Don't hesitate. Present tense. Yes, absolutely right. Sit down. Dear students, in first present tense, its translation in Urdu Sada Zamane Hal, and the present tense, there are four kinds of tenses are in it. The first one, present indefinite tense. It's a present indefinite tense, and the translation of present indefinite tense in Urdu is Sada Zamane Hal. And the story hiding behind the name of present indefinite tense, there are hiding story. Sada Zamane Hal. It's very easy to make any kinds of sentence. There are only three words depend on first present tense, present indefinite tense. There are some rules and regulations here. I write here उर्दू के जिस जुमले के आखिर में ता हूं, ती है, आता हो, वो जुमला फेल हाल का होता है. फेल हाल का तर्जुमा फेल की पहली शक्ल फार्म के साथ किया जाता है. लेकिन वाहिद गाय, ही, शी, इट या किसी नाम के लिए पहली फार्म के साथ एस या ईएस लगाया जाता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, you are understanding the rules of present indefinite tense. It's very easy, beta. If we want to make any sentence of present indefinite tense, to put in your mind, the first rule is subject, verb second verb, and the third one would be the object. Here are the translation of subject, verb and object. In Urdu translation, we say subject, file. We will say subject, file, verb, fi'l, object, maf'ul. So if we use when the subject is coming singular, he, she, it, we will add to the verb es. How we will identify the subject singular or plural? It is also depend. We will see in the conclusion of words. There are the rules. There are the rules of it. I written here the rules of when we will add, when we will not adding the es. If any words have no, if any words have double s, sh, ch, x or ox, if any word will end on these letters, so it's a kind of, it will be kind of plural subject. So students, we will take an example of the present indefinite tense. He goes to school. He is subject and singular. He, now here is go. We added here es in subject go. He goes to school. This is complement. There are subject, verb and complement. The second one example is Ahmad. Ahmad writes a letter. Write. Here we added s to the verb of write. You know the spelling of write. So students, understand you? You are understanding? Just try to concentrate and read and learn the rules and regulation. Where when you will go to home, you will apply your notebook and just understand it and orally remember it in your mind. Here are the students. You will take there also